If you're looking for a comforting, crowd-pleasing meal that's easy on your budget and doesn't require turning on the oven, this stovetop potato parmigiana recipe is about to become your new favorite. Imagine all the cheesy, saucy goodness of a classic Italian parmigiana, but made with simple ingredients and ready in under half an hour. It's a perfect option for vegetarians, anyone watching their grocery bill, or those nights when you need a quick, hearty dinner that everyone will love. No oven potato parmigiana recipe. Perfect for vegetarians, budget-friendly meals, and quick dinners. Cooking time: 25 to 30 minutes. Serves: 3 to 4 people. Ingredients: 3 to 4 medium potatoes, thinly sliced, 1 cup tomato sauce or any pasta sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup grated parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried oregano or Italian seasoning. Optional: fresh basil leaves. Start by preparing your potatoes. Choose 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes. Wash them thoroughly, peel if you like, and slice them thinly. Think about the width of a coin. The thinner the slices, the faster and more evenly they'll cook. Next, give them a quick pre-cook. Boil or steam the potato slices for 5 to 7 minutes, just until they're tender but still holding their shape. This step ensures your final dish is perfectly cooked, with soft, creamy potatoes in every bite. Once they're done, drain the potatoes and set them aside to cool slightly. Now, it's time to assemble everything in one pan. No oven required. Grab your largest non-stick frying pan and set it over low heat. Drizzle in a tablespoon of olive oil, swirling to coat the bottom. Arrange a layer of potato slices, overlapping slightly, to cover the base of the pan. Spoon on some tomato sauce, spreading it evenly over the potatoes. Sprinkle a generous handful of shredded mozzarella and a dusting of grated Parmesan cheese. Season each layer with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a touch of dried oregano or Italian seasoning for that unmistakable Italian aroma. Continue layering potatoes, sauce, cheese, and seasoning until you've used up all your ingredients. Make sure to finish with a thick blanket of mozzarella and Parmesan on top. This will create a golden, gooey topping that's utterly irresistible. Cover your pan with a tight-fitting lid and let the magic happen over low heat. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes, keeping the heat gentle so the bottom doesn't burn. As the cheese melts, it will soak into the potatoes, while the bottom layer turns beautifully crispy. You'll notice the kitchen filling with the savory scent of bubbling tomato sauce and melting cheese. When everything is hot and the cheese is gloriously melted, it's time to serve. Slide a spatula around the edges to loosen the Parmigiana, then carefully lift portions onto plates. For a fresh, aromatic finish, scatter torn basil leaves over the top, or add an extra sprinkle of cheese for even more gooey goodness. This recipe is endlessly adaptable. Try adding layers of sautéed spinach, mushrooms, or any leftover vegetables you have on hand to boost nutrition and flavor. For a little heat, dust the top with paprika or chili flakes. Whatever you choose, each bite is a comforting combination of creamy potatoes, rich tomato sauce, and oozing cheese. Stovetop potato parmigiana isn't just delicious, it's practical. With affordable ingredients and minimal prep, it's perfect for busy weeknights, lazy weekends, or even as a cozy snack during movie night. Plus, it's sure to satisfy vegetarians and meat lovers alike, making it a wonderful addition to any meal rotation. Enjoy every cheesy, savory bite of this easy, oven-free twist on a beloved classic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this L&E channel for more fun and inspiring videos.